Hi y'all, I'm Laura Ray Dickey, CEO of Dickey's Barbecue Restaurants, and we're excited to introduce you to our new series, Behind the Barbecue.
And I'm Chef Matt Burton, Vice President of Culinary and R&D. The Dickey's Barbecue Pit has been perfecting the art of barbecue since 1941. And after more than 80 years of family tradition, we're here to bring that experience to you in a whole new way.
You know, and the Dickey family has always believed that barbecue is more than just a meal. It's an experience. And for 3 generations, we've shared our legit Texas barbecue with the world. And now, with this series, we're going to share some of that magic that goes on behind the scenes.
In Behind the Barbecue, you'll get tips, tricks, recipes, and cocktails straight from our kitchens to yours. From perfecting brisket to mastering the Dickey's family's favorite sides. We'll show you how we create flavors that have made Dickey's the largest barbecue franchise in the world.
And we're also going to share some of the stories, those fun, tall tales of life at Dickey's Barbecue. So this series is for everyone, the barbecue lover, the pit master, the big yellow cup collector, and all the folks who've made Dickey's what it is today.
We'll be talking everything from science behind our slow smoked meats to the art of Southern hospitality. And of course, we'll be showing you some signature recipes that you can recreate at home using our famous brisket rub and house-made barbecue sauces.
At Dickey's, we take pride in being an American family-owned barbecue restaurant, serving up great food with a side of Southern charm. For over 80 years, we've been dedicated to bringing folks together one barbecue plate at a time. And now, with Behind the Barbecue, we're inviting you to be part of our extended family.
So whether you're a seasoned pit master or just someone who loves good food, this series is for you. We'll share recipes, fun barbecue hacks, and maybe even a few cocktails or two, all designed to bring the flavors of Dickey's Barbecue Pit into your own backyard.
So over the past 83 years, we've made some incredible memories, and this series is our way of extending those memories to you. So from our family to yours, thank you for making Dickey's part of your life.
We hope Behind the Barbecue brings the same joy and flavor into your home that Dickey's has made the pleasure of sharing for generations. Welcome to Behind the Barbecue.